Sit down. Sit down, all the way.
Okay.
Do it now. Keep your hand where I can see it. Don't even try me.
What I do?
43 Carolina Ann now.
What did I do, man?
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I saw you drop it. Fighting 1, Carolina Ann. Get your hands behind your back now. Get your hands behind your back now. Get your hands behind your back now, Weaver. You don't need to get hurt. I already saw you drop the dope. You're just getting more charges at this point. You hear me? You don't want to get tased and all that. Get your hands behind your back. No point getting more charges, dude. This is stupid. Stay down.
I'm staying down.
Hands behind the back. That's like I got Weaver in custody. He ditched dope on me. And I'll need a supervisor. You alright? Got the shakes from me or from last using?
What?
I saw you ditch it right there, so don't even play.
We did shit right here.
Probably got more on him.
Alright.
Stay still. It was in 10.
He's 10, 13. I got you.
Don't even move no more. It's alright on the other side of the brick wall. He dropped in.
Alright.
Why do you want to give me his hands?
Yeah, I see it. Right on top.
That was really... Keep your hands where I can see him. Trying to get rid of stuff on me.
Oh, film this. This is a dope. Mr. Weaver, you're under arrest for theft, by the way. Hope those ice creams are good. That's why you're going to jail. And unfortunately, now you have some felony charges.
Oh, dude, you could have complied with me, and now you got another charge. That important, huh?
I've been complying. I'm trying to just get my hands behind my back.
Keep your ankles crossed. This happened out of nowhere. I was just driving by, and I jumped out of the car.
Mr. Weaver, do you have anything else on you?
No.
Are you tucking anything underneath?
No.
He had that in his hand and threw it over on me.
Get up.
I didn't lock those yet.
That's fine. Relax, I got you. Stop reaching. Got any more dope on you, my man?
No.
Okay.
I don't.
Too late. He was messing with the back of your pants pretty good.
Yeah. Well, listen, if it goes in his car, it goes to jail, that's even more issues. Oh, there's a straw.
Don't be pulling on the back of your pants.
I'm not touching my pants.
We're sitting here watching you, man.
I'm not touching.
Just like a watch, you toss it over to the front. You all right, man? When'd you smoke? Just now?
He's not smoking, he's snorting. Oh, it might be smoking.
He's smoking it.
Yeah, it's actually
You just OD'd not too long ago, didn't you? Dude, I'm not even picking on you, man. My brother died from this scrap.
That's true.
Do you need an ambulance, man?
Did you just smoke some, dude?
Yeah, dude. He's involuntary shaking like crazy.
Yeah, I know.
You all right? I don't want you to die on
Can I have
me.
a cigarette, man?
I'll give you a cigarette if that calms you down a little bit.
Where's your lighter? Deal with it in your pocket. You got a lighter, Clark?
Just
You got a lighter,
away.
my man? Yeah, that way you can have a smoke. See, we're not complete here.
Hold on. I know it's hard for you to stay still. Come on, give me that hand.
Alright. So, Mr. Weaver, the reason you're being arrested by Officer Clark before the dope went is you went and sold some ice cream over at Walgreens a couple times. Alright? So that's what all this is about. So my advice to you, if you there's the lighter, it's on the ground.
Yeah.
So my recommendation, if you're gonna do drugs, don't steal, because we're gonna come. Everyone's got cameras. All right.
Yeah, man, that was stupid, dude. Just for a little bit of dope, you want to play that game? I've never been mean to you. Sorry, Melsheimer, you got a multi-test kit? anything else on you, dude?
No.
What's the last time you used?
Thank you.
This has nothing to do with the bearings of the case. I want to make sure you ain't gonna die on me.
Possession's possession, dude. Whether you use it or not, that doesn't matter. To be honest with you about whatever you got going on.
Call 174. It's going to be a follow-up of Bet's 32 from earlier, and I'll need an additional case number for resisting and 31.
I was not trying to resist, man.
You were, man. You didn't want to listen to you. You know why? Because you're holding that in your right hand and you're too busy trying to get rid of it. That was stupid. That was stupid, man. Bet you anything, if you had been compliant, I wouldn't have noticed, and you could have got rid of it on me. I bet you anything.
Not very smart.
I gotta watch my camera. I just like looked up. I looked up and he was riding on my bike.
It's fine.
Yeah,
you're good.
No, I mean like
Right
the
where
commands part.
That's fine.
So I didn't call it out in time.
Okay, that's fine. So he's told earlier today from Walgreens. Officer Clark sees him. He goes to confront him. That's when he doesn't listen and calls him dope. Which I get it, but
he's might need an ambulance.
He might.
Yeah, he's twitching pretty bad. For now, can you put him in your car? Because I got this to deal with. That's probably fentanyl.
Alright, drop the
By any chance, did you see him resisting or no?
I don't know. I don't know who that guy is. Can you send that video to Officer Clark?
What video? Did you get a video of him fighting me?
I don't think I get. I didn't. Can you show us what you captured, please?
Because it'll help me with my case.
Here's the deal, man. Any video. What I don't want to do.
Ramos, you mind holding his phone?
Hey, you want me to call EMS?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yes, I need EMS.
You're still going to go to jail at the end of the day, so we're not going to play that. 7-4. You mind rolling EMS to me? Reference narcotics use. He's conscious alert breathing. So he's wanted for a theft earlier at Walgreens. I happen to be driving this way. I wasn't paying attention. He rides by on his bike right here, and I jump out and I'm like, sit, sit. He starts resisting. You could see his dope in his hand, and he's trying to get it away from me. I'm going to grab him in the hand, and he throws it over the fence on me. We got it. And then I had to take him to the ground. I'm pushing him, saying, stop fighting me. He's not very strong. He's completely strung out right now. I didn't do any strikes or anything.
Are you injured?
No.
Okay, so what would
people film things? They're gathering evidence.
I went from like here and I pushed him down, but I don't think his body hit the ground. He like caught himself, but still I did use force, and I was pushing him here. I was trying not to hurt him because this is what he had in his hand. He had this in his pocket.
With his drug use, it's going to be probably fentanyl.
Yeah, he OD'd like 3 days ago apparently too. I read the report earlier. Yes, you may. What's up? Yeah, I don't mind. When EMS gets here, search him again, but I won't rescue to... Well, he couldn't sit still for handcuffs or anything. Same guy from Sean's Bolo, stealing at the same place. My supervisor may want to speak with you, sir. Oh, it's orange. It's fentanyl. Com 174, note it's fentanyl. Note it is fentanyl, please. It's fentanyl.
Alright, so I heard this stemmed from an earlier thing. You get PC for him already?
Yeah, he had PC for his arrest.
Okay,
We were going to pass it on to you guys. He happens to be riding on a bike. Like when I had to throw it in park and jump out. I'm like, stop. And I was about to call him to come over and just let him do his thing. And then he didn't want to listen to no commands. He's doing this stuff, had something in his hand. I grabbed his hand to try to just cuff him already. And he's pulling away, actively, physically resisting my attempts to place him in custody. I pushed him down to the ground by his head. I'm holding him like, stop resisting, put your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased. You don't need to get hurt. He's pulling away, trying not to give me a hand. He even does this like stupid motion thing and drops the dope. Yeah, like reaching over, just trying to get rid of it.
He mentioned where the dope is. I go into the yard to right exactly where he's at on top. And everything else is leafy, dusty. It's right on top. Exactly where he's at. What happened here? We're talking to oh, he's going down and he dropped dope. Some dude just
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
I'm gonna rewatch my videos. No, I wasn't expecting him to fight or do that.
And so it was the pulling away?
Yeah.
He had a takedown
Commands?
Yeah, not a real take. I pushed him to the ground kind of by trying to grab his arm.
Forced to almost,
Yeah,
what
take
you're
him
kind of
down.
describing is...
That's a takedown.
Yeah. Okay, but it was just pushing him down onto the ground to try to get him into a better position.
To handcuff him safely.
Okay. You're not injured, right?
Nope. But I'm gonna have rescue check him out. He's obviously
He's not injured either. Yeah, he's tweaking back there, but he's not injured at all. He tells me no physical injuries, but he's definitely tweaking.
Yeah.
I looked at his video, Tom. No, he didn't capture.
No.
He actually still, and then finally when he videoed.
Huh? I wonder if he was coming at me. It's my fault. I didn't call it out right away. I went to, and it was just happening fast. I thought I was good. He's never resisted me before. All right, Mr. Weaver, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you, Mr. Weaver? Yes. Have you asked any law enforcement officer to speak to an attorney today? Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now? Nope. All right, sir. Doesn't hurt to try, right? So nothing else illegal on you? All right. So right now I'm going to charge you with trafficking in fentanyl for having over 4 grams of fentanyl, paraphernalia, resisting without violence, and tampering with evidence, which is a felony. You're also going to be receiving a charge for petty theft from CVS. I guess you stole some popsicles, not a big deal. And you'll be getting trespass warrant from CVS, or is this Walgreens? Let me see, I don't want to tell you the wrong place. Walgreens on Duval, 527 Duval, the place you used to steal from, you're no longer allowed there. So once again, you're getting trafficking fentanyl, possession of paraphernalia, resisting an officer without violence, and tampering with evidence. Okay, any questions, Mr. Weaver? Even though you've invoked, I'll answer some questions if you'd like. Camera's already on.
You guys gonna let me buy some shit from somebody or something?
What?
You guys gonna let me buy some shit from somebody or something?
I can mention it to the appropriate guy. But right now, I don't know, buddy.
If my name's on the thing, and everybody knows, I know 10 dealers in town.
You know that, you know everybody.
I don't sell.
Feeling all right today, Mr. Weaver? You look like trash, man. Your health's really declined.
Yeah, I was a couple days away from going to rehab.
Okay, yeah, man. You need to get off the crap. I wasn't lying when I told you my brother died from it.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to see you're going through the same crap.
Yeah, it is what it is.
I don't know. I think jail might save your life today, dude. If you took that stuff, you might not have made it.
I just got insurance. I just got approved for insurance. I was 2 seconds away.
What's insurance have to do with overdose?
Because I got approved for insurance to go to rehab.
Yeah. How's your old lady doing? You still with her? Christelle?
She's fine.
Alright, good.
about to see our daughter today.
I haven't seen her in forever. I didn't even know she was still down here until like an hour ago. Staying out of trouble, I guess.
How'd you know she was here an hour ago?
Somebody told me. I know a lot of your friends.
I don't have any friends.
Well, I didn't think I had any friends either. Then I met Josue.